Today we are going to look into what a cryptocurrency is. However, before we even dig deeper, just a minute. Welcome back on my show. My name is Daniel Leonard. If you are a new member and you haven't subscribed, please do think of subscribing. Now, let's dig deep to look into what is a cryptocurrency. What are cryptocurrencies? I have something small here for you. Cryptocurrencies are digits created by computers with help of an algorithm. Then it's labeled a crypto coin. Cryptocurrencies are digits created by computers with the help of an algorithm, and then it's labeled a crypto coin. So, is it that every digits created by computers with help of an algorithm is actually crypto coin? Let's look deeper. Okay. The algorithms and computing power required for the creation of coins are very complex and they elaborate, which means that the algorithm and the computing power that helped create crypto coins should actually be complex and elaborate. What does this mean? This is because mathematical algorithm techniques do not actually create coins. Mathematical encryption techniques do not just create coins. Simple digits on a computer, simple digits on laptop, simple digits online do not just mean that those are coins. No, they might have an algorithm, they might be complex, and actually they might be elaborating. Let's look into something here. Mathematical encryption techniques must also protect the network from misuse and actually manipulation. Now, there is a characteristic of what a cryptocurrency should be actually having. It must be not be manipulated or actually not be misused. So for you to prove that you have a cryptocurrency, it means that your mathematical encryption techniques should actually be protecting the network against misuse and actually manipulation. Something here more important for you. The entire process for which actually the entire complex, the entire algorithms are actually being made is termed as cryptography. Now, the most common cryptocurrencies that you should actually be knowing is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin being number one and Ethereum being number two. That is a simple term of what a cryptocurrency is. A cryptocurrency are just computer digits created by the use of an algorithm with complex and elaboration. They might be able to elaborate and with complex features against misuse and actually manipulation by people. My name is Daniel Leonard. Please do subscribe and also watch my next videos. Bye for now. I'm out.